What's up guys, this is the Kyrie 4 Mamba. Pretty sick box, if you ask me. Got it at the outlet mall on Black Friday. Copped a lot of stuff on Black Friday. I storied it on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. If you like Kyrie, maybe check out some Kyrie stuff on my YouTube channel. These are the Mambas. Pretty sick if you ask me. Nice little colorway. Lots going on. This is like some Illuminati type logo going on at the back. Pretty sick. Pretty nice grip pattern at the bottom here. I'm gonna pull out the other shoe. Obviously this is a size 16, as you saw previously. I'm not a size 16, but I'm gonna throw these on just cause you gotta see how they look on foot, you know? I have not checked the size. They don't look that big, to be honest. Yeah, it's a size 16, at least the right side is. The left side is also a size 16. Gonna throw them on foot real quick. Don't have to loosen them up because they're a size 16. Just showing you the colorway, because I know there's already a lot of Kyrie 4 reviews out. They're not that big for a size 16, to be honest. Like, I feel like I could run around in these. That's why Kyries are my favorite. Ultimately, these are pretty fire. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. You know? You feel really nice rocking Kyries, especially on the basketball court. Kyrie 2s are my favorite basketball shoes of all time. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. Like, that's a gold Nike logo. It's pretty sick, if you ask me. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.